Hello traders, welcome to the weekly and daily outlook on the dollar yen. Now the dollar yen is still stuck in this pattern, which we expect the market to eventually break to the upside. So any opportunity that we get to go long is an opportunity that we should take. And in last week's video, we identified a reverse head and shoulders on the daily time frame. And that presents us with a nice opportunity to go long. So whoever watched last week's videos and took the trade, well done. All you have to do is just move your stop loss to break even and wait and see what happens, because this market could consolidate further before it finally takes off. So if we look at this on the hourly time frame, let's try and see if we do have any trading opportunity at the moment. Well, we had an impulse leg here, we had a correction here, we have another impulse leg here. The market is correcting again, so expect this market to give you one more leg up after this correction has ended.